Good day mga ka-newbie, I'm Noel de la Sena and welcome again to Noel EdTech TV. In today's video, I will share to you the DEPED Memorandum Number 017 Series of 2022 and it was released last March 21, 2022, which is the conduct of the early registration for school year 2022 to 2023. To undersecretaries, assistant secretaries, minister, basic, higher and technical education, BARMM, Bureau of Service Directors, regional directors, school division superintendents, public elementary and secondary school heads, and all other concerns. But before we start, if you are new here in my YouTube channel or not yet subscribed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button icon for updated weekly educational video tutorials. You can also add me in your Facebook, follow me in Instagram and Twitter. The link is in the description box below. Now, let's start. In preparation for the incoming class opening, the Department of Education announces that the early registration for school year 2022 to 2023 shall be conducted from March 25 to April 30, 2022 nationwide. As stipulated in the DEPED Order Number 03 Series of 2018 or the Basic Education Enrollment Policy, all incoming kindergarten, grades 1, grade 7, and grade 11 learners in all public elementary and secondary schools shall pre-register to allow the department to make necessary precautions and adjustment of plans for the incoming school year. Grades 2 to 6, grade 8 to 10, and grade 12 are considered pre-registered and will not need to participate in the early registration. Private schools are encouraged to conduct their respective early registration activities on the same time frame. Daily updating or encoding in the early registration facility in the Learner Information System shall be done every school using the school head or school administrator account. Schools shall be utilized the modified basic education enrollment form to ensure that the necessary information in registering incoming kindergarten, grade 1, grade 7, and grade 11 learners, and other data such as preferred learning modality are obtained properly. Schools may also include in the early registration facility the prospective enrollees for other grades level based on the previous school enrollment to get the overall picture of the expected enrollees for the next enrollment. In the context of the prevailing COVID-19 public health emergency, the conduct of the early registration shall be done remotely in the areas under Alert Level 3 to 5. In-person registration through parents or guardians may be allowed in the areas under Alert Level 1 and 2, provided physical distancing and health and safety protocols are strictly observed. Schools authorities of public and private schools are mandated to strictly implement the kindergarten cutoff age under the DEPED Order Number 20 Series of 2018, which is the amendment to the DEPED Order Number 47 Series of 2016. For more information, please contact the Planning Service Education Management Information System Division, 2nd floor, Corchidora Alonso Building, Department of Education, Central Office, DepEd Complex, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, through email at ps.emist@deped.gov.ph. Immediate dissemination of this memorandum is desired. Signed by Leonor Magtolis Briones, Secretary of Department of Education.
That's all, folks.
That's it mga ka-newbie. Sana meron na naman akong naibahagi sa inyo na bagong kaalaman, at para sa mga susunod na video tutorial, mag-subscribe to this channel and click the bell button icon para sa mga updated video tutorial. If you have any comment, suggestion, don't hesitate to comment below. See you mga ka-newbie. Hanggang sa muli. God bless and stay safe.